Every developer has that one programming language they open and instantly regret. Missing semicolons, cryptic compiler errors, cursed syntax, and documentation that feels impossible to understand. Today, we are counting down the 10 most hated programming languages based on developer surveys, programming communities, and years of developer complaints. Remember, hated doesn't mean bad. Every language on this list still powers important software. Let's get started. Number 10. Visual Basic and VBA. Visual Basic and its spreadsheet cousin VBA are still used by countless businesses. If you've ever inherited an old Excel macro, you know the pain. The language feels outdated, the syntax is verbose, and debugging can be frustrating. Yet millions of companies still rely on VBA because nobody wants to risk replacing code that has worked for years. Number 9. Delphi. Delphi was once a popular choice for Windows applications, but today it's mostly found in legacy enterprise software. The community is much smaller than it used to be, and finding modern resources can be difficult. It's not a bad language, but many developers feel like they're maintaining a piece of software history. Number 8. Perl. Perl earned the nickname the duct tape of the internet because it could solve almost anything. The downside is that its code often looks impossible to read. There's even a famous joke that Perl is a write-only language. You can write it today, but good luck understanding it a few months later. Number 7. Objective-C. Before Swift, Objective-C was the main language for building Apple apps. Its bracket-heavy syntax and long method names made it difficult for many developers to learn. Today, Swift has replaced it for most new projects, but developers who worked with Objective-C still remember the struggle. Number 6. COBOL. COBOL powers banks, insurance companies, and government systems across the world. The problem is that very few developers want to learn it anymore. It feels old, the tooling is outdated, and maintaining decades-old code isn't exactly exciting. Still, experienced COBOL developers remain in high demand. Number 5. PHP. PHP has been one of the internet's favorite targets for criticism. Its inconsistent functions and messy legacy code gave it a bad reputation. Modern PHP has improved a lot, but many developers still remember its early days, and that reputation hasn't completely disappeared. Number 4. Ruby. Ruby is known for its clean and readable syntax. So why is it here? Mostly because of performance. Some developers believe Ruby, especially Ruby on Rails, struggles to keep up with newer technologies. Even so, many programmers still love how enjoyable it is to write. Number 3. JavaScript. JavaScript powers almost every website, yet developers constantly joke about its strange behavior. Weird type conversions, confusing rules, and a fast-changing ecosystem make it both essential and frustrating. It's probably the only language that developers praise and complain about in the same conversation. Number 2. C++. C++ gives developers incredible control, but that control comes with complexity. Memory management, difficult compiler errors, and debugging mysterious crashes make it one of the hardest languages to master. Despite that, it remains a foundation for games, operating systems, and high-performance software. Number 1. Assembly. Language assembly is as close as most developers will ever get to programming directly with computer hardware. There are almost no safety features, every instruction matters, and even small mistakes can be difficult to find. It's incredibly challenging, but learning it gives you a deeper understanding of how computers really work. Those were the 10 programming languages developers love to complain about. The funny thing is that every language on this list is still useful and powers important software somewhere in the world. Which language do you dislike the most, and which one do you think deserved a spot on this list? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more programming content.